To your training for insights. We are excited to show you that when you log into the BlueIQ platform, you immediately see offices that you have access to. You can also come in here, and if you're a single location, this is the way it will look. We are displaying the dashboard will always default to today's date, showing you today's appointment schedule with production schedule. So we recommend coming in with your team, and the first thing, clicking on appointments. This will take you into, now this practice is closed, and that's why you don't see any appointments, but normally you would see the number of patients coming in today with account balances. Any patients coming in today that have pending treatment. And of course, by looking at yesterday, you will see patients that left the practice that did not schedule their recare appointment, with the ability to go in and click on those lists. So this is nice because if there's credit on people's accounts, but then there's an account balance on, and these are always on the cash side. And that way as a team, when you're doing this in morning huddle, you can address this as a team. Are we supposed to collect this today? Making sure that we're optimizing today's over-the-counter collections. Now, on this dashboard, you can see the total appointments. You can certainly see that we have the ability to dive in and look at appointment status, appointment by provider, appointment by procedure. There's a lot of different ways to look at the data and give you the insights that you need to make today the most effective. We also give you bite-sized data of patients going in inactive. So as of 365 days ago, these are 5 patients that have not been in the practice since. And that's what this is designed to help the practice follow up on daily, along with your new patients that are coming in today. And of course, you can drill into that information. Now, Insights is designed that you can go ahead and expand the time frames and review a month at a time or a week at a time. And we can see that out of these 311 patients, there's 94 that still have account balances. There's 53 that still have pending treatment. There's 70 out of the 311 that left that still don't have a next appointment. Now, when these things are handled, those will drop off the list. And you can use this as a workflow format. Now, this is another important thing because we can see out of the 34 new patients that came into the practice, 53 went out. So really overall, this is a shrinking practice, which we don't want. We need better recare and recall systems in this practice. And again, that's what this list is designed to do to help you guys move that forward. Obviously, with the account balances, you can go in and we provide you with the procedures and their dates and all of those things as you click on those and see those. Again, you can click the interactive chart. You can see the different appointments that were coming in and obviously by provider. So that's all in there. Now, the next piece of the platform is being able to go into production insights. You can either get through get into there, or you can come into closing that and coming back into the dashboard here. So let's go into, again, yesterday, we show you the net production versus the scheduled. Scheduled does not have any write-offs and what percent was actually attributed to that. You can see same-day production. So that's something we want to congratulate as a team. We can go in and look at an interactive chart showing me procedure base, where our production came from. We can look at this by provider, and as we do that, it gives us the opportunity to, again, drill in, see by that production, where did we actually produce it from? So we can click in, look at specific codes, drill all the way into that. If you want to come back out, you just use the up arrow and then go back in and see the different service mixes of a patient or of a practice. So again, this can be expanded into weeks, into months, and again, look to make sure that we're hitting our target goals. And with this new system, also working with your dashboards where you can set goals and track specific KPIs and specific lead metrics, this is the secret sauce to helping your practice continue to grow and expand. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy this feature.